Are you okay?
Get out here.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, it's me Pragya. Please make sure you hit the red subscribe button to join my glam squad where I talk about makeup, beauty, skin, anything that will make you look glamorous. As you've seen the title, I'm gonna be taking 7 days rice water challenge for hair growth, and I was going to internet and I was really shocked with how the hair growth process works with this like rice water. And I was like, it was like weird, but then I was like, okay, I want to try it. And I also want to give a shout out to my friend Ruchita. She actually said and also commented in one of my videos that to try out the 7 days rice water challenge, and that's the reason why I am doing this. So I just wanted to show you how my hair actually looks like. Ow. So this is the exact length of my hair. It's not much, it just comes till here. So yep, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. Now before starting the process, we need to know why are we doing this. Okay, so long back, early centuries, the Japanese women used to maintain their beautiful long black hair by washing with rice water, and which is still continued by the Yao women of China, and they actually keep their hair strong, shiny, and long and black with the rinse of rice water. Now, why do we use rice water? Now, rice contains amino acids, minerals, antioxidants, selenium, magnesium, folic acid, vitamins, and a lot more. So this is how we are going to be doing it. Taking some basic rice and then rinsing it properly so that there is no dust and germs. After that cleansing of rice, we are going to be adding some water and we will let it ferment for around 5 hours and let it sit and soak and give us that all good minerals. After that, we are going to be taking that soaked rice water and adding some orange peels to it and let it kind of cook for about 10 to 15 minutes to get that all nutritious thing to get our rice water challenge started. So as you can see, it is cooking so well, it is smelling good, it looks good. So now we are going to be pouring that rice water which we took out, and it is cold right now, and right now we'll just pour it in the jar. So as you can see, we have completely poured it. It looks good. Now I'm going to be adding some essential oil. Over here we are adding the rosemary essential oil so that it doesn't stink and gives us a very nice good smell. And rosemary is also good for your hair to make soft and manageable, so it is a win-win situation. Now let's start with the application. This is the first day, and right now over here I'm just kind of measuring my hair. So it was 20 centimeter, by the way. I'll show it right now in the screen. Yes, it was 20 centimeters. So this is how my hair length is. It is a medium hair type. Now I have just started spraying all over my hair. The sprayer is the worst. Like, this sprayer was like the worst sprayer. Anyways, it's the next day morning, and as you can see, my hair looks good. The curls look really good. I braided my hair at night. It really looks good, and after combing, my hair was feeling so voluminous and soft. My hair was really feeling it's good. I like that. Anyways, so now coming to the next day, now I have washed my hair, and currently I will actually again apply the rice water. So yeah, I will continue the process, and here we go. This sprayer is nice. I have changed the sprayer. So as you can see right now, I am spraying it all across my hair, and after that, after spraying, I actually go to my basin and just do it upside down. I pour all the rice water, and then here I am back. You can see all the rice water droplets all over my t-shirt, and again I'm spraying the at the ends just to coat it nicely. Now after rinsing it off after 20 minutes, again the third day, I am applying it all across my hair and massaging it really nicely to get it done. So this is how I continued for the rest 4 days. Now here are the results. Okay, now my hair looks supremely shiny. My hair looked very shiny, so soft, so manageable, and it was really frizz free. I didn't shampoo a lot and I didn't use any conditioner. This is just the rice water, guys, and I was supremely impressed. Can you just see the volume, the shine, and the silkiness? It is amazing. I really loved the results, and I will surely say that it really somehow made my hair look very thick, long, and black.
First of all, I'll just come to the pros and then I'll come to the cons. First thing is that number one pro, it is an amazing detangler. The rice water works an amazing detangler. Your hair feels so frizz free that you can really work it with your hands and with your comb. It doesn't feel that tangled up. And when you're using rice water, you're already combing your hair and then you're pouring the rice water, and then what it does, it makes your hair really soft, and it does helps in detangling. It doesn't make your hair any more frizzy, so it is really good. And another thing I would say, pro number two, is that it is frizz free. The formulation is something that will not make your hair any further frizzy. It will make your hair frizz free, soft. Coming to the three, it does clean your scalp. So if you are having scalp issue or if you have oily scalp, this is also really great, because the orange peels really are helping that oils, controlling the excess oil in your scalp. So that is something I really love, because I have oily skin, so obviously I will have a oily scalp, which is obvious. So it really does help in controlling the excess oil in my scalp. So that is something I really enjoyed and I really liked. I would say it does control the oil. Pro number four is the main thing that I'm looking forward to in future use of it, is that it gives an insane amount of volume. It makes your hair look soft, frizzy, yet gives you a volume. So it is an amazing thing. If you are somebody like me, if you have fine hair, thin hair, and you want volume, start using rice water. It will surely give your hair amazing volume, but you have to be careful. I'll come to the cons, which I would like to mention. And but I would say it is almost a very good thing. It is not something that is going to harm your hair. It is something that will really work on your hair. It does make your scalp feel clean and oil free, and everything makes your hair soft, manageable, and gives you volume. Now coming to the cons, what I think the cons are. Now number one is that rice water is actually a very high protein water. So when you're applying rice water, you're applying a very high protein thing on your hair, and if your hair is not habituated in taking proteins, it can actually cause breakage, split ends, and a lot of that, because our hair is not habituated to it. Like, you cannot eat a lot, you will burst out. So that's the way our hair will burst out. It will get coarse, it will get damaged, it will get dry, you will have split ends. So 70 challenge is fun, you can do that, but after that you have to really stop using it for 2 to 3 weeks, because your hair is almost quite a lot processed with the rice water. So you have to give a good amount of. That's why I would like to say that don't use rice water throughout the week. Just give a gap or alternate days or weekly 3 times. That's it. You don't have to apply more than that. Another con I would like to say about the rice water is that it takes a lot of time to make and do the whole process, because you have to soak it, then cook it, and then you have to apply. And that's what I think the only con I have. It is a very time taking process, plus I have sinus problems, so in winters it would be very hard for me to continue the rice water. But I do like it. Anytime I would like to have some volume and get like give my hair some protein, I would surely do rice water thing for a week, or like in a week 3 times. But I will not continue it every single day, because I will catch cold, and I did catch cold. So it took me time to film this ending, and I had to stop shooting every day, because I was feeling cold. And yeah, so I still have this much of rice water left, which I am gonna keep it and I'm gonna be using next week. So it's kind of in a process of fermenting. It is fermenting for my coming next week. So yes, it has the lemons in it, and you can see I think this one, the second time I make it, it was much better than the first time. So yeah, I have this one. I will use it in my next week because I'm really enjoying it. It is giving my hair a good amount of volume. It is making my hair really manageable. My hair grows very slowly, so I know that. And but I would say in 7 days, if my hair has grown 1 centimeter, then I would say it does work. But I don't feel like my hair has grown like 7 inches or 8 inches, like something like that. So I don't feel according to me, so I had to test it out, and according to me I don't believe it, because for me my hair grew only 1 centimeter. I think that's pretty normal. And that's it for today's video. I loved the whole challenge. It was something really new I tried out and experienced. It was amazing. The experience was, my hair also feels good. So yes, the whole thing is really cool and amazing. I enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you liked it. So with that, let's wrap up this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.